Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on shipping notification in the Shop app. If you want to receive real-time updates whenever your package ships, is out of delivery or arrives at your door, you can simply do that. First, what you need to do is you need to open to your Shop app, and from here you need to go to your profile icon in the top left corner. And over here you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this icon, and you need to select this notifications. And over here, in order to turn on shipping notification, select this turn on notification in the top and select allow. And make sure notification for the order updates, order tracking here are turned on, and you can also enable other alerts such as promotions, installments, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.